Welcome to Preston and Jackie's Nature Block. We started our nature block with a whole garden bed that needed to be weeded. We cleared it back and planted some trees. The first plant that we planted was the Gravila, and we're looking forward to some orange flowers that will be all through the year. Further over here we actually have the callistum. This bottle brush was the first flower that we actually had come up in our garden, and Preston found that, which was very exciting. We've got our water source over here, just a saucer with some rocks in it for our lizards and any other little creatures that want to visit the garden. Okay, we've got some rocks for the lizards to lay back on. And then we have a Gravila. Okay, this is a Gravila Ned Kelly, which is a popular native shrub that should shoot off some nice red flowers, and it requires very little water once it's established. We've actually put in some garden lights to make it very pretty at night and not too bright to scare off any animals that would like to visit. Okay, and then our fourth is our holy fuchsia. It's actually just started flowering, which is great news. This shrub prefers partial shade and sunlight, so we put it right down in the corner where it is shaded by a tree and next to a rock where the lizards can go underneath if they ever need shelter. And after we planted our trees, we then put down some leaves as natural mulch and added pine bark.